So my name is Justin Jacobson, and this is my FX Impact. This is my Stormtrooper battle-worn look. Decided to do it just kind of a one-of-a-kind. I always thought it looked like a Star Wars gun, so we thought we'd run with that. This is my rifle, this is my gun, this is my Cerakoted FX Impact gun.